Wow, brake, guys, brake. What is this brake looking here, guys? Wow, whatever. Oh, what is this? This is a private car.
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me. Look at that no perk you can't see.
Ah, this is very nice. What is this? This is a robot car. Oh. Oh, guys, so nice. This robot car is very new update. Look, it's very nice. What is this about? Wow, jeep car. Nice, very powerful, guys. This jeep car is very powerful. Look, what is? Oh, helicopter. Helicopter is very nice. No. Whoa, what is this? Motorcycle. Wow, US motorcycle looted in our truck. Wow, guys, look, what is this? This is a drum truck. Wow, drum truck. This is a drum truck looted in our truck. What is this? This is a monster jumping car. Wow, boom. It's very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. What is this? Water tank truck. Wow, very nice. What have he? Wow, police motorcycle. It looted in our truck. Oh, it's very nice. What is this? This is a drum truck. One more. Very excellent. This car truck. What is this? This is a sumo truck. Sumo truck. Wow, sumo car. Wow, what is this? Ambulance? Wow, it's very nice. What is this? Fire service. It's very helpful. Wow, for stopping fire. Wow, what is this? This is a crawler crane. Wow, guys, look how beautiful and very powerful this crawler crane. What a behavior. What is this? Is a truck excavator. Guys, look, very nice. This truck excavator looted in our truck. Wow, what is this? Wow, garbage truck. Nice. Oh, what is this? This is a road roller. Wow, nice. What is this? Oh, it's very nice. What is this? This is a school bus. Oh, nice. Wow, this is a luxury bus. Oh, nice. Very nice. What is this? It's an excavator. very powerful this excavator. What is this? This is a concrete mixer truck. Wow, nice. Wow, what is? Wow, it's a oil loader. Oh, oil loader in the truck. A very nice truck. What is this? This is a concrete mixer truck. Wow, looted in our truck. Have a worker. Here workers have looted it. Break. Here have more cars are parked here. Look guys, here have a big car. What is this car? Whatever, this is a carriage deck. Wow, it's very powerful. Very nice. Whatever here. Wow, this is a bullet train. Nice guys, it's very China Japan bullet train. Wow, what is this? This is a brand new Jeep car. Wow, very nice. I chose this car. Wow, whatever here. What is this? Is a double-decker bus. Double-decker bus is very nice. Oh, guys, look here. Have a more. Wow, Thomas train. Guys, look, Thomas train is very cute. Wow, what is this? This is the ambulance, 911 ambulance. So guys, it's very helpful going for hospital. Wow, here have a what is this? Is a oil tank truck. It's very harmful. It's very dangerous. Wow, what is this? This is a crawler crane. It's very powerful, guys. Wow, what is this? This is a tank box truck. Wow, it's very nice. What is this? This is a police car. Wow, it's very nice. Oh, looted in our truck. Oh, nice. What is here? Have a mini private cars parked. This truck in the looted in our truck.